Hey guys, I just want to give you a demonstration of my Darwin-Mini moving its arms while it's tracking hand movements. Right now it's connected to Bluetooth. I'll show you guys. I don't know if you can see the little flashing light on the back. Alright, so the Bluetooth dongle it's using is a BT210, and you can find it on the Robotis website. It gives you the specs on how to connect it to anything that's not the OpenCM 9.04 microcontroller. So you can put it on an Arduino just by hooking it up to 3.3 volts and making sure that you've connected the receiver and the transmit signal correctly. Alright, so I've been working off of a sort of color filtering Visual Studio project, and I'll show you guys how I split it up. So this is my Darwin-Mini, and I've created a new file called Darwin Arms Move, and it'll also be controlling the Darwin-Mini via Bluetooth. So I need to make sure that I'm using my camera. Okay, so this is my built-in webcam, and the one that you're seeing the Darwin on, that's my external webcam, because I want to show you guys my hand movements and the Darwin-Mini. Alright, so now we're going to debug. And you can see I've split my screen into this section here, and this whole bottom section here. So all I want to do is I could use my hand, but it'd be a lot simpler to show you guys how to filter the color green. When I go here, I want the Darwin-Mini to move his left hand. When I go here, his right hand. When I go here, nothing, just stop. Alright, I also have a program that I wrote for the Darwin-Mini to be able to do this. And you can see here that I'm going to receive an L and an R. And depending on if it's L, it executes left wave. If it's R, it executes right wave. And here's a function to get the Dynamixels to move. Alright, so now let's filter it down here. Alright. Looks good. Let's see if we can filter a little more. Let's see. On this one. So filtering takes practice. It's never going to be the same because it'll always depend on the amount of lighting you have while you're trying to do this. Alright, looks good. So let's hide this. Let's hide this one. And now let's put this and Darwin side by side. And let's see what happens. Alright, please work. Left hand. Nothing. Right hand. Nothing. Alright, let's see. The Bluetooth is on. The power is on. Should be sending the correct signal. So let me pause here, and then I'll see what's going on, and then I'll continue. All right, I'm back. So it took me a little bit of time to figure out what was wrong. It turns out that as I was running it, one of the wires came undone on the Darwin-Mini microcontroller board. So let's try this again. I've already filtered this. So you can see here, my webcam is showing my Darwin-Mini. Remember, if it goes here, it'll wave its right arm. If it goes there, it'll wave its left arm. Alright, hope it's working now. So, right arm. Alright. Okay. And again, this whole bottom portion, this is a do nothing. Left arm. Perfect. And it'll just keep waving its left arm until I take it out. Alright, so there you go. So that's a quick demonstration of the Darwin-Mini responding to tracking an object and moving its arms accordingly. So, like I said, I can track my hand if I wanted to, but for the sake of this example, I've used this color instead. Alright, thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any questions. Stay posted because I'm going to be putting up a lot more tutorials, more specific tutorials about how to work with the code, you know, how to work with different microcontrollers. So yeah, keep posted, and thanks for watching.